This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Sturt. One-story home with large backyard in desirable Winchester neighborhood. 3 beds, 2 bath, open floor plan, granite countertops and kitchen, wood-burning fireplace and family room, back deck and patio with fenced backyard. This home is blocks from community area offering outdoor pool, tennis courts, playground and entrance to Clark Creek Greenway. Located only 20 minutes from uptown, the international airport and a few minutes from all major hwys. 5 minutes from UNCC. Come see this home before it's gone. For more information, review the details below.